Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a dragon curve pattern using Python. So firstly let us import the required libraries. So here NumPy, a library used for numerical computing, it helps handle arrays efficiently, and matplotlib.pyplot, a library for plotting graphs and visualizing the generated fractal pattern. So now we'll define the dragon curve function. So this function generates the dragon curve points based on the given number of iterations, and each iteration refines the shape, making it more complex. And here points, this initializes the dragon curve with a straight line segment between 2 points where 0, 0 is the starting point and 1, 0 is the ending point. And here direction, this is a rotation matrix that rotates a point 90 degrees counterclockwise. So this loop runs for the given number of iterations, and each iteration adds new points to make the shape more complex. And here this will store the new set of points after each iteration. And this loop goes through all adjacent points in the current list, and it processes each segment in this shape. So here P1 is the starting point of the segment and P2 is the ending point of the segment, and midpoint is equals to P1 plus P2 divided by 2. This finds the midpoint of the segment between P1 and P2. And here P2 minus midpoint finds the vector from the midpoint to P2, and np dot direction vector, this rotates this vector 90 degrees counterclockwise during the rotation matrix. So this finds the new rotated point that will be inserted into the shape. And this adds the old point P1 and the new rotated point to the list. This ensures that the last point of the previous iteration remains in the shape, and this updates the points with the new set of points after the iteration. and now we'll return the generated points. So after all iterations, the function returns the final set of points forming the fractal. And now we'll create the function to draw the dragon curve. So this function is responsible for visualizing the generated fractal. And this calls the dragon curve iterations to generate the points. So this creates a new figure with a 6 into 6 inch size. So this plots the points using x coordinate, which is points colon and 0, and y coordinate, which is point colon and 1. And this plots the plot with blue color, in which line width is 0.7. This ensures that the aspect ratio is equal, so the pattern does not look stretched. So this adds a suitable title to the pattern, and this displays the plot. And now we can see this. Sorry, at last we need to call the function. And now we can see this. So we can see a dragon curve pattern. So thanks for watching this video.